Yo guys, today it's another father-son job. Gotta do another AC job. We about to change out a compressor. How you feeling today, Dad?
Hey.
Anything to say to the people?
The greatest. I feel great.
Yep. So yeah, man, we gotta go down to Fort Lauderdale. We gotta pick up some stuff first. Make sure we got everything.
You want to drive?
Want me to? Oh, as you guys see, I'm about to drive, so. Yeah, man, we about to start this, and I'm gonna record. One of the things I would say is for y'all, people who are in skills or you're gonna be outside, hot weather, what's the number one thing you need? Water, man, H2O, man. So always make sure you got it to keep your body at a certain temperature, especially being here in Florida. Stuff don't get hot, you know what I'm saying? Can be burning up, so make sure you're right. Right now, I'm currently in my little beard growing phase. I have to grow it out because cutting it too much gives me bumps, which is going away. So I have to let my face grow and do all those things. So I'm in the process of which I do not like how myself looks right now, but it is what it is. It's a part of life. It's a part of the journey. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. For sure. Probably just get it shaped up, get all this cut shaped up. To explain what's going on here is now I'm taking off these 6 bolts. We got to get to this compressor. So now this is what I'm doing, and we're removing this to get to the inside of the unit. So we took out those 4 screws that's holding the compressor in. Now we're gonna.
The other one, we're gonna have to get the one that plugs in. Red, black, and white. When we pull it out, you're gonna see it. We're gonna cut this right here.
We pulling those out before we braze.
Yeah, that point is definitely yours. Now I want to see where it connects to. Is the red run, common, and thing on the compressor. So once I unbraze it, you know,
we just cut the wires out of the pressure wire nut in them. I am opening the oxygen and acetylene as he is getting prepared to start brazing.
Well, we're gonna unweld it now. The other one.
Tape up the ends of the copper lines that was connected to the compressor.
In case it rain, water won't get into the to the compressor lines.
No water. You don't want no water in them lines, man. So after we about to pull this up and then go to the place, got some errands to do, get all this stuff, come back, and then we're gonna do the job. So, and meanwhile, you guys enjoy whatever I play, whatever I do in here. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I see you guys. Work, y'all. Look at that hole. Took it out. Look at that hole.
What applies that?
Took out the compressor. No more. See how empty it looks now. Anytime you want to remove impurities from the system and you cutting these copper lines, you usually always want to replace that filter dryer, especially look how bad that is. So now he's brazing that to take that off the copper line and pull that off and add a new one when we're done. So yeah, guys, this is the compressor right here. He's currently just brazing off that copper line on there because this is a used compressor, brand new but used. And yeah, we're gonna install this and get the job done. So guys, sadly I wasn't able to record the last part of this footage.
I'm about to lift that compressor up and put it back in there.
The lines, put it in the filter dryer. Moisture, using a vacuum pump to take out any moisture out of the system. All those good things because my phone got overheated. So this is what we ended up doing. We grabbed that compressor right there, put it in there, connected the lines, added the filter dryer, vacuum pumped the line out, and everything was great. It was running good. He has AC and the job is done to perfection. Thank you guys for watching. More videos coming soon. Peace.